Welcome to my YouTube channel TechSpark. In the TechSpark, so we will also discuss about in this topic hands-on coding projects, building interactive web applications. First, building interactive web applications can be a rewarding and exciting experience, but it can also be challenging. In this article, I will talk about some tips and how to build interactive web applications that engage users and provides a great user experience. Plan your application carefully. Before you start building your web applications, it is essential to plan it carefully. This means determining your goals and objectives, identifying your target audience, and creating and roadmap for your applications. Development a good plan will help you stay on track and ensures that your applications meet the need of your target audience. Focus on user experience. User experience is critical when building interactive web applications. Your application should be easy to use, intuitive, and provide value of your users. Consider the user research and testing to ensure that your application meets and the need of your target audience, and most importantly, it is easy to navigate. Sometimes we tend to overdo some factors like editing, excessive animations, or thinking that everyone is a programmer. In short, this sometimes stress a user out, which will result to loss of interest in the application. Factors the use of framework. Using a framework can solve your times and effort when building interactive web applications. Frameworks provides builds components and tools that can be used to create responsive designs, handles user input, and manage data. Some popular frameworks include React, Angular, and Vue. Implement responsive designs. Responsive design is essential for interactive web application. Your application should be able to adjust different screen size and resolutions to provide a consistent experience across device. Use CSS, media queries, and flexible layout to ensure that your application look great on desktop, tablets, and smartphone. Implements user input validations. Interactive web applications often rely on users input, which can be prone to error. Implementing the user input validations can help prevent these errors and provides better user experience. User client sides and server side validations to ensure that user inputs in correct and safe. Optimize performance. Interactive web application can be complex and resource intensive, which can lead to slow performance. Optimize your application performance by minimizing HTTP requests and reducing file size and using caching. This will ensure that your applications loads quickly and provides something smooth user experience for the user. In conclusions, building interactive web application requires careful planning, focus on user experience, the use of frameworks, responsive design, user input, validation, and performance optimization. By following those tips, and you can create interactive A web application that engage users and provide value